Hey there, ever wondered why everyone's talking about SaaS? Let's dive right in and break it down in simple terms. SaaS stands for Software as a Service, and it's everywhere. Imagine this, you're using Google Docs to write a paper, Dropbox to store your files, and Zoom for video meetings. Guess what, all of these are SaaS products. In fact, about 90% of all software today is SaaS. So, what makes SaaS so special? First off, no installation needed. Unlike traditional software, SaaS works right in your web browser. No downloads, no updates, just open and go. Super convenient, right? And here's the kicker. SaaS businesses generate billions in revenue. Think Netflix, Shopify, Canva. They all operate on a SaaS model, making them incredibly profitable. But it's not just about big companies. SaaS can save businesses up to 30% in IT costs. No need for expensive hardware or constant maintenance. It's a game changer for small businesses. Imagine a small business owner struggling to manage their company. They need accounting software but can't afford a pricey IT setup. Then, they discover a cloud-based accounting SaaS. Suddenly, they can track finances from anywhere with just a few clicks. That's the power of SaaS. Whether you're managing emails, collaborating on projects, or even streaming your favorite shows, SaaS is making life easier. So, if you've ever used Gmail, Microsoft Teams, or Canva, congrats! You're already a SaaS user. Pretty cool, huh? Now, if you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tech and finance tips. And hey, let me know in the comments what SaaS tools you use daily. Share this video with someone who might find it useful. Thanks for watching. See you next time.